Well, you might be in a situation where for some reason your Logitech mouse is just not working. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The number one thing that you might want to end up doing as soon as this kind of stuff ends up happening is you want to go through and you just want to make sure that your particular device, that your mouse, everything that you're using, you want to make sure that there's no issues with it whatsoever. And you want to make sure it's actually, essentially plugged up and charged up. So that's kind of one of the easy things you can do here. So try going through, try plugging in your mouse, replace those batteries inside, try plugging them in, charge them up. Try doing those types of things. That's kind of one of the most important things you can do here. And that's exactly what I recommend doing in this particular situation as well. Now, on top of that, you might want to go through and try your mouse on a different surface. So this might seem pretty basic, but if you actually go through and have the opportunity of doing so, I'd recommend kind of going through and trying to use a different surface on your particular mouse. So depending on the mouse that you have, you might want to try switching from like a glossy surface to a more reflective surface, things like that, because that might end up helping the mouse in its way as well. You can also try going through and try charging up your mouse. It might seem pretty basic, but sometimes there might just be some power issues going on with your mouse. So try going through, try charging it up, try seeing if there's another way to kind of fix that particular situation as well. Because sometimes you might just have to go through and power up or change how your mouse is kind of figured out and charge it up. And that's kind of another one of those really easy ways of kind of fixing it. So try those things out, see if that ends up working. Hopefully it ends up working for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.